Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another memory planning spread in my classic Happy Planner. So there's my spread for Monday, August 6th through to Sunday, August 12th, where I used the Summer Mermaids kit from Pretty Cute Planner. So for this week, Monday, August 13th through to Sunday, August 19th, I'll just take the sheets out of the memory planner. Oh, there's pictures for next week. Just place that back on my table here. So this week I decided I'm going to use actually some pieces left over from a ShopVillaBeauTIFFul kit that I purchased actually, I think maybe sometime last year, and I still have some pieces of this left. So I got some of her washi strips. As you can tell, I've used some of it, some of her full boxes, and some of her deco. So I want to incorporate that into the spread this week, just because I really want to start using up my stash. If I want to buy new kits, then I'm gonna have to use what I've got, is the theme that I'm going for. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I do in every one of my memory planner spreads is lay out the pictures on the dates they were taken, so I can find a cohesive way of being able to feature all of the pictures and still have them on the actual day that they were taken. Sometimes it doesn't work out that way, and that's okay. I still try to find some sort of cohesive design for the way the pictures are laid out, and I feel like with the horizontal planner, the layout has to be a bit more precise with the way I do the pictures because of all of those horizontal lines. So now I'm just going to go in and maybe use some of this washi up at the top, and then use kind of the same corresponding black and white washi on the other side to cover up some of the colors of the Daydreamer planner. So then I decide, okay, which full boxes am I going to use and how am I going to use them? And I like this floral box to go in that corner, and I line up the pictures that go over top of it very, very carefully, just because I want to use part of the border of that sticker as kind of a border for the pictures as well. Now, if you haven't seen my memory planning videos from before, I get my pictures printed at Staples. I use an app called the Pick Stitch app, where I create a grid of 6, and then I size that grid to a 4x6, and then I get them printed at Staples. And it's actually very, very cheap to get them printed at Staples. I think it costs like 19 cents per sheet, which is not too bad for these good quality photos. And then I just slice them with my blade. And I like having the white border around the pictures. I think it just adds something, and it makes the picture stand out more, and it just looks like a better value. So now I'm using some of the stickers, like the you get life, basically what you give into it. And I'm using that kind of as a sticker to hold down the pictures as well, and then using some of the deco to hold down the pictures. The deco for this kit, like the beautiful florals, are gorgeous, but I feel like if you put way too much on the page, it can overtake everything. So that was the one thing I really didn't want to happen. So I'm using this full box here on the left-hand side. It's kind of a border for the picture of my daughter. That picture is taken on her birthday. She had slept over at my aunt's house the night before, so we had set up a little surprise of balloons and things for her for that day as well, and I thought it was so cute, her reaction. So I think I'll go over like each of the pictures now. That picture in the very top left-hand corner is a picture taken from my bedroom window. I woke up one morning and it was like apocalypse now outside because of all the smoke from the fires in British Columbia. So I wanted to take a picture of just how eerie it looked outside. Then the Tuesday picture of my daughter's 7th birthday. Then Wednesday, I took the kids to Michael's for a craft day, and that's just them posing with their canvases that they made. So I'm taking this sticker and actually laying it down for the pictures on Thursday. I cut down the stickers, and then I'm using the leftover pieces in other parts of the spread. But the picture on Thursday is just the 2 kids at IKEA. I wanted to take them to IKEA so they could play in the play center, but the wait was like 40 minutes long, and I said, heck no, I'm not waiting that long for the play center. So I basically just took the kids around for some playtime. They dragged the carts around with me, and then we had some lunch, and it was actually a really great day. Friday, I picked up my race kit for my half marathon, and then Saturday we went to the Fringe in Edmonton, where they have a whole bunch of street performers. And then Sunday was quite a filled day because I did the half marathon, which I'm really proud of. I walked it in 2 hours, 57 minutes and 46 seconds. And it was just such a great day out. And then we also had my friends over for dinner that night. So now I'm just spreading out the deco around, and I really struggled with this because I wanted to use up all the deco, but I didn't want it to overtake the spread. So as you can see, it does look quite busy. I used every single sticker from the stash, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and write in the entries for the week. So again, like I said, Monday was just, it was so smoky outside, and I was really worried about the smoke coming for the race on Sunday. But in the end, the race on Sunday, it was a perfect day for it. The sky was clear, and the weather was actually perfect. It wasn't too hot, so I was so glad that it cleared up in the end because I was really nervous about it. And there was actually one point on Sunday where I thought I lost my keys, but I found it in the end. So I'm just going to finish writing up in here, and that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.